Isa lang naman masasabi ko, congratulations. You really deserve the crown. And sabi ko nga nung send-off party mo, na I've seen how you really work hard, especially sa pag-travel, sa stress, sa pressure. Iakit mo si Joviel, yes. So, yung tears na yon, napalitan naman ng crown. Very deserving. Congratulations. Good luck.
Thank you so much, Tara Luna, of Photo Opportunity.
Smile. Smile, smile. Bye-bye. You're right. To your left. Here.
Alright, thank you so much, Tara Limha, for your warm message. Yes, ang Pilipinas 2023 first runner-up. Let's hear another message from another friend of Joviel. I may come on Nika, the friend of Joviel, Nika. Please come forward.
Closer. Close naman kayo eh.
Okay, so congratulations, Yel. So, sobrang proud lang kami to see you to grow in a beautiful queen. She's very generous and lahat ng nakapaligid sa kanya is kilala bilang mabait, beautiful inside and out. So, we know that you deserve that crown and more crown pa to come. So, congratulations, Yel.
Thank you so much, Nika. Na-shock si Nika. So more crown, no? Ipatong-patong natin yung crown na yan. Laging miss Q&A, laging bakla pa. Okay. At this juncture, of course, this event will never be successful and our queen will never be successful without the support of the mother. So let's hear a warm message from the mother of our queen, Mother Jovi Guamos.
Closer, Papa. Yun lang. Mother's love. I'm so good never.
Thank you so much, Mother Jovi. Napakataas na mensahe ni Mother. Grabe, napakataas. Parang 30 minutes yung mensahe. Kidding aside, you don't need to hear any words, no? Action speaks louder than words, of course. So thank you so much, Mother Jovi. And of course, this will never be complete without another message from another mother-father of Hiyas ng Pilipinas. But before that, there's a special request. Let's hear a message from the director of Hiyas ng Pilipinas, Sir Mark Kenji. Another surprise for our director.
Closer. And shorter.
Ako yung nag-i-instruct sa kanya kanina kung anong gagawin. Sa kanilang lahat. So ako rin pala yung ano. Again, mula pagkapanalo ni Jubiel, we always believe in her naman. Alam namin malayong mararating ni Jubiel. And yun nga, biglang blessing talaga itong nangyari sa Miss Elite kasi late na namin din siya nakuha na crown. So, para sa kanya talaga kasi madaming pinagdaanan bago siya nakapunta ng Egypt. And alam ko madami rin siyang stress na natanggap. Pero kinaya niya yung lahat and hindi namin alam din kung saan siya kumukuha ng lakas ng loob and God's talaga na ipaglaban ko ano yung gusto niyang marating sa life. So, ang gusto ko lang talagang sa kanya na mabait naman talaga si Jobiel, so sana may pagpatuloy niya and sana maging humble pa siya even though na malaking crown na itong Miss Elite very na rin itong Miss Elite. So, sana kung anong man yung dumating sa'yo sa susunod, kung may balak ka sumali ulit, and may balak ka na ilang taon or what, sana mas mapagtibay mo pa yung loob mo to fight for your dreams. And congratulations again and thank you very much for bringing us around sa Pilipinas and also sa Yes sa Pilipinas.
Thank you so much, Direk Mark. Alright, thank you so much, Direk Mark. To your back. Thank you so much, Direk Mark. Okay, so at this juncture, let's hear a special message, of course, again, from the father of Hiyas ng Pilipinas, the owner, the CEO of Hiyas ng Pilipinas, Chairman Mike Sordilia. Big round of applause, please.
Okay, so the moment we acquired the franchise of Miss Elite, I don't know because he has in his first edition already have Miss Elite. On the second one, we lose the franchise, and then during my term, I was able to acquire the franchise. So all I thought was we had yung parang meron kaming problem, meron akong problema when it comes with the relationship between Hiyas ng Pilipinas organization and the Miss Elite organization. But, kagaya ng mga sinasabi ko, sa lahat ng mga girls at saka sa lahat ng mga organizations na ma-handle or makikilala namin is to always remember on how to build and establish relationships. So everything boils down to establishing relationship. You see, Hiyas ng Pilipinas is built out of not just about pageants. We don't just talk about the crowns and the prizes. What I always tell them is to build our relationship. Because even after you turn over your crown, when the relationship is strong, then we can guarantee that there's a connection that will last for a lifetime. And I think that's what we have with Miss Elite now, specifically with our representative, Jobiel. The moment when we were able to, nagbabangayan kasi kami mga officers kung sino yung ipapadala sa Miss Elite. But kaso si Jobiel, meron na siyang nakalaan na supposed to be crowned for her, which is the Miss Continental World. Since I talk about establishing connections, establishing and building relationship, pinagpaalam ko siya sa may-ari talaga ng Miss Continental World that I have to withdraw Jobiel and send you another strong representative because I cannot think of no one but Joviel to represent the Philippines. And the organization for Miss Continental World was very supportive, and they said yes. And here comes Joviel, your Miss Elite Philippines. Very, very short preparation, but of all, palagi namin sinasabi sa kanila. In fact, our hiyas ng Pilipinas candidates now, we are training them on how to do their own makeup. No, not training them, but we want them to train themselves on how to do their own hair and makeup. Just like Joviel. Siya lang yung nag niya, hair and makeup niya. Binigyan natin ng lahat ng mga kailanganin niya. Binilhan natin lahat ng magagamitin niya. Siya lang yung may gawa sa sarili niya. Because sabi ko sa kanya, there's no one else who can be there. No one else can help you but yourself. Mahangin, magulo ang buhok. Joviel, ganito yung buhok. Lahat online, lahat ganito, ganyan. Pagkuha ng visa, very short notice. In fact, the ticket was booked mga ilang days na lang. We don't care kung mahal pa yung ticket, so long as we can represent, we can send a strongest representative for the Philippines. And there you have it. We got our very ever first crown. Oh, wala na, namatay na. Oh. So, it was a tough challenge, but we have a GC with Joviel, with the officers, with Joviel and our team. But I have a secret conversation with Joviel most of the time. So, pagkatapos ng meeting sa GC, pinupull out ko siya sa secret conversation namin na kami lang dalawa. O, alis ka muna dyan. O, eto ha, Joviel. Don't listen to them. Huwag makinig sa anumang mga pressure. Huwag makinig sa anumang mga sasabihin ng ibang tao. Huwag makinig sa na you need to win this because this is what not. Don't listen to them. Always remember, since the very first time na pumasok ka sa hiyas ng Pilipinas, isa lang yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, at I will say it again. To just what? Have fun. Yun lang. I want you to enjoy the journey because the Grand Coronation Night is just one day. The crown is just a crown. But after that, the memories is what matters the most, and the crown is just an extra prize. Know that the whole Philippines, and you are bringing Hiyas ng Pilipinas so much pride. For the information of those who doesn't know, it's our second time. It's my second year for our Hiyas ng Pilipinas, literally. And pangalawang beses pa lang ang Hiyas ng Pilipinas na nagpadala ng international beauty queen to represent the Philippines. And then silang dalawa yung crown. Thank you so much. At hindi mo pinutol yung sumpa. Charot. Pressure na yung susunod. So, I know naman talaga, hindi kailangan ng anong mga charot-charot. Nung nag-official photo na kayo, nasabi ko na sa sarili ko, para sa Pilipinas yan. Very obvious yan. Because Joviel was just enjoying, while the rest are very stiff and very hard. Our Philippines is just enjoying. So, you've grown up so fast. I don't know kung ano pinapakain sa'yo. But we've seen you grow in a span of almost a year. I don't know whatever your plans are after this, but know that the organization will always be here for you. I am always here for you no matter what. We have big plans I cannot reveal for now for Joviel, but we will be revealing that maybe after. But let's see. But know that we are always here for you no matter what. Okay? So just keep your feet on the ground. Even if you have that crown, you're still the Joviel that we know. You will always be our little and bigger Joviel now. Congratulations, and we are very proud of you.
Thank you so much, Chairman Mike Sordilia. To the right.
To the left, left, center, left po.
All right, thank you so much, Chairman Mike Sordilia. Okay, so maghanda ka na, Joviel. No, kasi mahirap na yung next round. Our next round, hindi, host kasi. Bawal mag-message yung host. Our next round will...
I will make the introduction. I will be the host for this segment. So everyone, allow me to introduce to you, if I am the mother, father, siya naman yung ate, kuya ng Hiyas ng Pilipinas. Siya yung iyakan, tawanan, at saka lahat-lahat na. If I am like the stricter version, itong taong to naman yung yung parang best friends ng lahat ng mga candidates, lalo na ating mga winners. Siya yung isa sa mga closest ng ating mga candidates, lalo na kay Joviel. Because this person is very clingy, this person is very lovable, and this person always has anxiety issues and problems. In fact, yung nanalo tong si Joviel, itong taong to panay yung iyak at saka ang OA. Parang siya yung nanganak. Everyone, allow me to welcome you all, our Communications and Marketing Director, to give his congratulatory speech to our Miss Elite World 2024. Let's welcome Mr. Brian Tarosa.
Okay. Okay, lapit pa. Okay, to Joviel. No. Alam nyo, nanalo yan si Joviel kasi may pinakita ko sa kanya. Yung secret ko. Di ba? Kung nakikita nyo, take na yung hair ko ngayon. Okay, so Joviel, congratulations. Of course, you deserve the crown. Alam na talaga namin. I guess hindi lang kami, parang alam na ng lahat na nung nasa stage ka, you are really present. No? Kahit na may hangin-hangin pa, no? Kahit na distracted ka na sa hair mo, hindi lang naitawid. Parang quality talaga yung answer mo, hindi para quality talaga yung answer mo, no? Sa lahat ng mga sumagot sa question, parang yung sagot mo yung pinaka on point. So, parang effortless. Ganun. Nung nanood kami sa Grand Coronation, sinabi ko ng sarili ko na para siyang yung time ni Catriona Gray sa Miss Universe na nag-enjoy lang. Tapos, yun lang. Enjoy lang talaga at alam na natin na at the end, crown na talaga siya. So, you deserve that. And, of course, yung mabuting kalooban, mahirap magtagalog, bakit ako mag-message? yung good heart mo, patuloy mo yan, no? Kahit sinabihan ako ng, actually, one of my friends told me na, parang may favorite ka sa lahat ng winners ng Hiyas. Kasi siya yung palaging kasali sa mga vlogs mo. Sasawera kasi to, kaya naging nasali siya sa mga vlogs. Kaya ganon. Mag-vlog takeover siya. So ganon. So, keep it up, yung pagiging jolly mo. And huwag talaga iwanan yung studies kahit may magandang career na naghihintay sa iyo. No, so as per chairman, may mga plano tayo. Hindi pa lang pwede i-disclose. So we hope and hope na may patutunguhan talaga itong mga plano natin for your brighter future. So congratulations!
Picture pa wala.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Brian Tarosa. Okay, so again, maghanda ka na kasi mahirap na yung next round natin, the Q&A with the media. So the floor is now open for our media to ask questions. We can maybe entertain at least 5 questions.